Empathy and compassion are important qualities that help us connect with others. They make our relationships stronger and improve our communities. But what exactly are empathy and compassion? Empathy means understanding how someone else feels. It is putting yourself in their shoes and feeling their emotions. Compassion goes one step further. It is feeling concern for someone's suffering and wanting to help them. Anyone can develop empathy and compassion. Here are some simple ways to do that. First, listen carefully. When someone is talking, pay full attention. Try to understand not only their words but also their feelings. Avoid interrupting or judging. Listening deeply helps us see the world from their point of view. Second, ask questions. Show interest by asking how they feel or why they think a certain way. This shows that you care. It also helps you learn more about their experience. Third, imagine yourself in their situation. Think about what you would feel if you were going through what they are. This helps build emotional connection. Fourth, practice kindness. Small acts like smiling, offering help, or giving compliments can make a big difference. Kindness is a simple way to show compassion. Fifth, be patient and open-minded. Everyone is different. Try to accept their feelings without rushing to judge or fix the problem. Sometimes just being there is enough. Sixth, reflect on your own emotions. When you understand your own feelings better, it becomes easier to understand others. Seventh, read stories or watch movies about different lives. This helps broaden your view and increases empathy for people from different backgrounds. Finally, help when you can. Compassion grows when we act to support others. Whether it is giving time, listening, or offering resources, helping others strengthens our connection. In summary, empathy and compassion can be developed through listening, asking questions, imagining, kindness, patience, self-awareness, learning, and helping. These qualities improve our relationships and create a kinder world. Start practicing these today. The more you practice, the stronger your empathy and compassion will become.